my best friend.
Really?
We live in that house right there.
Tell her to get back out here and throw some more titties. That's insane.
I'll throw my titties if I can get a ride on that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, son.
Okay, I better get off. Thanks for the ride, though.
Absolutely, shawty.
Better get posted on Instagram like.
They're getting better. And I'm not looping.
Yo,
What?
give me your name.
What?
Give me your name.
Who are you?
It's none of your business. Want me to pull the badge or what? Give me your name.
Who are you?
Do you want me to call the cops right now?
Who are you?
Doesn't matter.
Go for it.
Want to be a moron?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I don't know.
Come on, let me see. Let me see.
Don't touch it.
What are you gonna do about it?
Just touch it. Don't
What are you gonna do about it?
Get out of here.
No. Absolutely not.
Go
No.
back in your car.
No. You want to be more and put everybody else that's on the roads in jeopardy? This is why
Go away.
morons on your moped. Give me a break.
Go away.
No. Don't be a moron.
Go away.
Is this Lincoln?
Go
Is
away.
that Lincoln?
Go
I
away.
guess I'll be calling your parents.
Go away.
You moron.
You need to look before you just back out of your driveway. I was going 20. I have it on camera.
Anything more in it. Might have to sacrifice a couple old garlic bread loaves or something to make room for this new goodness. What are you doing? It's the wrong way. It's a one way, man. Oh shit, he's getting pulled over. Ah, damn it. That sucks being a tourist in this town, man, because there's so many one-way streets that confuse the shit out of you here. Oh, poor guy.
Yo, pull over, man.
Bravo. Kaj? Ne, enduro. Registriran.
Oh, you are having a laugh. F*** off down there. Go down there and round and come back up. What a f***ing wanker. What an absolute f***ing wanker. What the f*** are you doing? How f***ing dangerous is that? How dangerous? There's a roundabout down there. Go down and turn round. The f***ing traffic comes down here at 70 mile an hour and you're turning around. I know, you don't get do you? F***ing wanker.
Nie ma problemu żadnego.
Tych rzeczy nabyta, wartość $20,000, no. Im dłużej jeździłem, tym bardziej go lubiłem. 2 miesiące temu ponad wyjechałem z Dallas, Teksasie. Pozdrawiam serdecznie, uważajcie na siebie.
Does this guy have lights on his trailer?
Yeah, I'm going straight.
Your trailer lights don't work!
To mi je kolesarka, vidio ti jo. It's kao da je block traffic.
Our people keep out of the
Illegal
fucking
place
road.
to park.
What?
You've just assaulted me. That's a legal place for them to
No,
pull
because
in.
you've run out of road trying to assault me while I'm
Did
trying
you
to
see
drive
the guy that's
legally at speed limit.
cyclist?
Mate, we're on a bike going at 50k an hour on the road.
Yeah, and
So you want us?
side of the
I
road.
thought you were
They
bike
were
riding.
pulling
You know
into
you
the
can't
car
ride
park
on that
over
side
here.
of the road.
Right.
You've already assaulted me. I will be reporting you for assault.
I've got it all on camera
I know.
too, and you've told me to
Yes.
take my helmet off so you would
Yeah.
knock me out. And I've taken my helmet off,
Yeah,
and I'm waiting.
yeah, and I'm not.
What does he expect if he comes running across the road having a go at me? Just got to pick a better spot to do it, guys. You know, if you can stick on the side of the road.
I know,
We got some of these girls up the hill here in the centre of the street.
but it's particularly down there.
Yeah, well, it's not a sensible place to go riding then. If you can't maintain the speed limit.
You know that we ride in the same places.
He's
you
all right.
guys like the curves. We like up and down. They're in the road. And you feel the road up as well. Absolutely. We go after the horse when they come up. Like you. Yeah. That's the thing is you. That's my boss.
Normally they're all pretty good, but just today this group, they're all in the middle of the road. Thanks, mate. You too, eh?
What happened last night?
He braked too hard. Brake too much and it's tight, and then when
Yeah,
he
it
got
hit
grip,
the-
it jumped, locked up.
It locked up. You see your earbuds up? Huh? ¿Otra vez? Otra vez. Fuck. Yeah, this is, dude, lucky he had. God damn.
Go. Alright, don't worry. So we got a little support. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That rock. That rock, sorry. Yeah, but that rock.
That's all I care about. I don't give a fuck. Just this side. This side's fine.
How did you go down? At the market fucking
I fucking locked up right here. I was going, either I didn't lean, I don't know what happened.
You didn't lean.
I didn't lean, I got fixated, whatever.